Hello everyone. Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Just doing this video just to give you an update on a payment that I've just received for the program that I'm actually promoting. And the system, I'm loving every bit of it. And also, um, it's not just me earning this amount of income on an ongoing, consistent basis. It's a lot of people in the community who are achieving this amount of results. And the good thing is this is a recurring income business model that we doing from the comfort of our home, right? And I'll also be showing you another proof here just to show you that this is not some sort of fake numbers, right? And I just received the email from the actual company. You have received a commission payout, right? And on $460, right? And pretty much I just received this commission this morning, right? Which is just amazing, right? So, and this business model anyone can do as long as you have an internet connection, right? And a laptop. You need a laptop to run this business from the comfort of your home, and you need at least 20 minutes, half an hour every single day, so you can put in this business and let this do the work once and be getting paid for life, right? And I'm really loving it, every bit of it. And if you haven't watched my recent video that recently, I've also added a training inside this amazing system, which is called the Home Business Academy. And you can see this is me, right? I share my strategy and how I'm getting results with this. But there's gonna be another training added to this. I'm gonna do tomorrow a live mastermind calls with a group of people, and the actual owners also reached out to me, right? So I'll also show you the recent message that I actually got from the owners, right? So Mike and Paul are actually the owners of the system. They created the system, and they actually reached out to me, right? So tomorrow my time will actually be 12 a.m. in the morning, but people who are actually living in the US, their time zone will be 9 a.m. EST time, right? Which is a Saturday morning, right? So if you're available at that time, you can come and ask questions, and that way I can answer on the call. But Paul and Mike be also on the call, so they can answer any answer any questions that you might have about the system, about the program, and how are people actually getting results from this awesome system, right? And the way you can actually access the system is just beneath this video. There's going to be a link, so make sure you go and click the link. And what will actually it's going to do, it's going to bring it to this page here, which will just look like this. So the actual page will actually look like this, and just put your details in here, so that way I can send you valuable information, right? And that way I'll also be giving you a few of the bonus inside that email, right? So as soon as you do that, this is my family, right? So make sure you go and check your email as well, right? And you're gonna be clicking on the click here now button, and that way you're gonna get access to this training area here, right? So this is Paul and Mike who actually built the system. And once you do that, you can actually read the testimonials and everything. There's a lot of testimonials in here. You're gonna click on access, right? And once you do that, enter your details and everything. Make sure you tick this box here, so that way you can get all the products, and and click on this box here and then place order. And once you place the order, it will bring you to the page that looks like this, okay? Through your password and everything, the company will actually send you, right? So that way you can actually access the system. And once you do that, the mastermind call will be just here. So it will be under it will just be under so for all the mastermind calls, once you click this button here, and it will bring this page here, right? And it will open up the strategies and everything here. And to actually access the system, you just click this to join the mastermind calls, okay, which is held 5 days a week. But tomorrow it will be my strategy session, which I'll be offering to the amazing community that I'm part of, right? So make sure you don't miss out, because I'll be sharing a lot of information in that call, so that way you can also answer any ask any questions that you might have about making money in online space. So again, thank you so much, and I cannot wait to help you out with this system. Any questions you have, leave in the comment section below, and I'm really excited for you and show you how we earn this ongoing residual payment from this amazing program, the Home Business Academy. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all.